Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hi guys, this is Masaba and I'm going to take you through what's in my bag, which is more like a suitcase, but I don't travel light. So first things first, I have a diary because I need to keep writing down things and I keep making small sketches and things like that. So this is really an essential. Power bank because we have to keep charged and I will die if my phone dies. So that's that. Then there's lip balm, wallet, of course. I have about 6 different types of lipsticks just because I could get into a very different mood at all times. So, I can't even pull all of them out there. So I have all of these. I have gloss, I have lipstick, I have different types of things because I keep walking around and going around the whole town. So I have to have different things in my bag at all times. I have this cute little blush and also doubles up as a lipstick. So I have one more lipstick, which makes it 7. If I could carry 3 people in my bag, I'd carry my mother because she's a big problem solver, and Asha, my assistant, because I need her all the time, and Beyonce. I don't think she'd come into my bag though, but yeah, I'd carry her around. Lip balm, another lip balm because I love lip balm, and a third lip balm because I love lip balm, and a scrunchie because I hate leaving my hair open. I've literally only done it because of this, but I'm always in a top knot, and inhaler just in case I die on the road, a pen. What else? I have green tea. I have some tulsi tea in my bag because I hate the tea everyone serves everywhere. So if I could peep into someone's bag, I think Rekha ji. I wonder what she puts in there because she's so poised all the time. I wonder what's in there. That's that. I have my AirPods because if I'm in the car, I have to be listening to music. I will die if I have to listen to someone talk to me. So these are my saviors. I have my keys. I have gum. There's more. Wait. I have my glasses because I recently got a number, so I have to keep putting these on. I have my sunglasses and my cute little pouch, which we do for sunglasses. And this is my most prized possession because it's my medicine kit. And I have, you don't want to go in there. There's everything. There's Pudin Hara, there's Panadol, there's Allegra, there's one medicine for every kind of illness. And I also have my rose water spray and another spray. I have 3 types of spray in there because I don't like sweating and I don't like feeling unfresh, and I can't work if I'm feeling like that. So the whole day I'll be spritzing my face with mist. My phone, which I put inside for this interview, is usually in my hand. And what else? What else? If I could swap my bag with someone, I think Queen Elizabeth. I want to know what's in her bag. She's so tiny. How does she do it? Yeah. I feel like I missed something. Oh my god, there's more lipstick. There's more lipstick. So that's 9 lipsticks. And I have another phone, of course. And I have another pair of headphones. And this is what's in my bag. My whole world is in my bag and I travel with it. So yeah. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a peep into my bag, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa.
3 things you cannot do without in your bag.
Lip balm, lip balm, lipstick, and I think my diary. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And if you could steal one person's bag, whose would it be?
I don't want to steal anyone's bag. I have enough going on in my bag. I love my bag and I'm very well organized, as you can see. So no one. People want to steal my bag, I know that for sure.
So now just the ending bag. I hope you guys had fun peeping into my bag. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to me.
Okay, cool. Stop.